Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do voiceover straight into Premiere Pro. It's pretty easy. If you can see this icon, click it. It'll probably work, but for the times that it doesn't, watch the rest of this video. Let's get in there. All right, to get started, I've imported a file from earlier on. It's in our co-working folder. It's called Micro Interactions. You don't need to import this one, but I need something to voice over the top of. Okay, so what we do is you might need to create a new audio track. Okay, right click in here, add track. Doesn't have to be on its own track. But all you need to do is be able to see more information in here. So remember, Option Plus will expand the audio tracks. You need to get big enough that you can see this thing. If you can't see it at all, remember, right click, customize, and you can just drag it on or somewhere easier to see. Okay, and all you need to do is hit it. So let's go. My little counter, 3, 2, 1. In this course, you're going to learn how to do amazing sign-up micro interactions. You're going to learn how to do amazing sign-up micro interactions. That was super cheese, but you get the idea. You might find that the wrong mic is working. You might hear yourself. That's probably the biggest weird thing, is if you hear yourself, Premiere Pro is trying to feed you back what it's hearing. So you can either do the easy one, is just to mute your computer while it's recording. It'll still record you. Okay, so it'll stop that. That's a bit of a pain. Or you need to stick headphones on, okay, so that the feedback loop doesn't happen. Now, if the microphone's the terrible one, and you've got a nice mic plugged in and it's not recording from it, right-click anywhere down here and go to Voice Over Recordings. It won't work if you right-click any of the video tracks. Okay, so you've got to right-click any of the audio tracks and go to Voice Over Recording Settings. Okay, and you can see in here, here's my little meter bouncing around. The name of my track, mine is VoiceOver. Okay, the source, I'm using this Audio-Technica 2020 USB mic. It's really good. And yeah, do you want the pre-roll, which is that counter, and do you want it to record a little bit afterwards? Okay, it's best to do both of those. Okay, pre-roll and post-roll. It's recording while you're doing it, okay, but it just gives you a little bit of empty noise that you can fix. Remember earlier on, there's a sound down cue, which sounds like, anybody remember Pong? You can turn that on and you get audio cues. It counts you down. Now, the other thing you may or may not have noticed is that it created a WAV file for you based on the audio track name. Okay, so that's this. Where is it? You right click it and you say reveal in Finder. Here it is here, and it is in, basically I saved this to the desktop. There it is, my project. Okay, it is inside. It's called, Adobe makes this folder for you only when you start recording. It's called Premiere Pro Captured Audio. There it is there. It's my project name, and there is the audio. Nice. All right, that's it for voiceovering in Premiere Pro. Directly into it. Awesome. I'll see you in the next video.